In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for task management. This versatile platform is perfect for organizing your workflow efficiently, and I'm here to guide you through the basics in just 5 minutes. Let's begin by visiting the Monday.com website. You can easily access it by entering the URL in your browser. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the login button, which is typically at the top right of the page. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the login screen. For those of you using Google accounts, you can streamline the login process by clicking on the Google option. Simply choose your Google account from the list that appears, and you'll be logged in automatically. This integration makes accessing Monday.com quick and hassle-free. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the left panel of your screen. Here you'll find a plus icon, which allows you to add new items to your workspace. Give it a click, and you'll see a range of options unfold before you. This is where you can start creating your dream workspace. Next, let's explore the Template Center. This is your go-to spot for finding pre-designed templates that can help kickstart your projects. You can access the Template Center by clicking on its option in the drop-down that appears after hitting the plus icon. This feature is particularly useful if you're looking to save time by using proven, structured templates. When you've opened up the Template Center, direct your attention to the From Our Experts tab. This section showcases templates curated by task management professionals. These templates are designed to cater to various needs, offering expert insight into efficient project management. Once you've browsed through the available options, it's time to choose a template that suits your personal needs. You might find one designed specifically for your industry or project type, which can offer a strong starting point for your task management journey. Carefully select the one that fits best with your project requirements. After selecting the perfect template for you, click on the Use Template button. This action will bring the template into your workspace, ready for customization. With the template now set up, you're free to add tasks, assign team members, and set deadlines, allowing you to track progress effectively. With Monday.com, setting plans, managing deadlines, and marking tasks as completed becomes a breeze. It's a user-friendly, intuitive tool that offers the flexibility and structure needed to keep your project on track. So dive in, explore the features, and watch your productivity soar.